Hello everybody and welcome back to Mocha Dishes. Today we are going to be making chicken tenders. So you're going to start off by grabbing a bowl of cornflakes and essentially just making it into a powder. Then I grab a cup and a half of breadcrumbs and add some oregano and some basil seasoning. I have a bigger family, so I'm making 2 pounds of chicken breast. Now we're going to season our chicken tenders. So I'm grabbing 1 large egg, a tablespoon of Maggi seasoning, a tablespoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, some lemon juice, and a handful of cilantro. Now for the coating portion, you're going to grab 2 eggs. You're going to dip your chicken breast into the egg, then into the cornflakes, then into the egg again, and then into the breadcrumbs. You're going to want to do this until all of your chicken breasts are fully coated. You're then going to want to grab your oil. I use grapeseed oil. You're going to want to put your oil at low to medium heat. Then you're going to want to fry your chicken tenders until they become a golden brown color, or you could fry them for longer if you'd like. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. These are such amazing chicken tenders. You can have them with almost any sauce. If you like this video, comment down below any other recipes you'd like me to make. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and share this video with anyone of your friends if they would like to try it as well.